Food is the only thing that has never wronged me, not even once. Me and we've got this good relationship with food. Come with me as we prepare a simple, quick, easy to make lamb chops, hearty, warm meal that is going to warm your whole family this winter cold days. I started by cutting onions into rings, and then I just basted my frying pan with olive oil, because remember that a lamb is the kind of meat that possesses a lot of fat in it. So I did not want to put oil when I'm still going to make put the lamb that has already oil in it. So I just basted that frying pan so that I can be able to fry onion a little bit, and then I put on my favorite spices. You can use anything that you usually use when you're cooking. Your mother-in-law curry powder, spice, or masala or raja, whatever that you have in your cupboard. Put in your spices, put in your seasoning, whatever that you have. And I've also cut what you call the chilies into strips, because it's winter, it's cold, and you want a little bit something spicy that is going to spice up your taste buds and make your tongue tingle a little bit, because yazini imnandi ngespicy phela, imnandi ngespicy. So as you can see, after I've burnt a little bit my spices, ngamix some with the onion, and then ngafaka lamb chops, ngawanabisa lapha phansi epanini, ngase ngiyagoqogoqoza ke ngathi ukuhlangahlanganisa, and then while I am at it, and then ngathi chwa lowa chilies osikiwe, and then ke ngavala kancane ukuthi kusukuhlangana a little bit, ama flavors asukuhlangana. And then ngase ngithi thwathwa nge-Lazenby. You know Lazenby and meat are best friends. Ngithe mase ngihlanganisile ngathi thwathwa kanjalo ke, each side you have to make sure ukuthi each side gets the Lazenby drops so that your flavors will balance. You don't want to eat inyama enama tastes angabalansile and the other side it tastes different than the other side. So ngase ngiyayiguqula at some point I had to turn it around, as you can see. Turn it around, baby. I'll turn it around so that I can be able to put the Lazenby sauce again on the other side. Hair from the other side. Ooh. Ukudla kuyini ngaphandle kwe-aromat? I'm an aromat addict. I had to do some thwathwa with the aromat. Ngathi thwathwa nge-aromats, ngathi thwathwa nge-aromats, ngathi ukushukushukuza ipani, ngathi ukushukushukuza ipani, kwathi ukuhlangana kancane. Lalela. Whenever I am making lamb, whether it's a lamb stew, whether it's a roast, whether it's a what, angihlukani no Mrs. Bowles, because remember ukuthi lamb is got that smell that says I am lamb. So at the same time, it's got that thick layer of fat on the chops. So in order for you to balance la mafutha nalesa smell and your spices nicely, you just need something that is going to balance the flavors and a little bit sweet, because angisho Mrs. Bowles wakho is made out of fruits. So angihlukani no Mrs. Bowles. Whenever I'm making lamb, I make sure that I use Mrs. Bowles. Now shake. Lalela phela. While you are at it, tell me ukuthi wena, how do you make your lamb chops if ungafuni ukuthi agrillwe? Because mina, this is how I make them. If I want them ukuthi abe some kind of stewish like, yabo, make sure you tell me, share with me. Look at this. Now the meal is done, nice and juicy and tender, and I have been cooking this on a very, very slow cook. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share how you make yours, because I will continue sharing until we reach 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Because when we reach 1,000 subscribers, long form videos are coming, and we are going to make the dopest, the beautifulest, the greatest cooking content you have ever seen on this app. I should be cooking. So yeah. We enjoy this with the pap. We are South Africans. Ta-da!